Namaste children. Today we are going to see the topic simple past tense and past continuous tense. Simple past tense. The structure of the simple past tense is subject plus verb 2 plus object. Verb 2 is nothing but past form of verb. For example, he played football. Here he is the subject, played is the past form of verb and football is the object. In simple past tense, now we are going to see the positive statement. The structure of the positive statement is subject plus verb 2 plus object. For example, I solved the problem. Here I is the subject, solved is the verb and the sum is the object. Next we are going to see the negative statement of simple past tense. The structure of the negative statement, did not will come before the verb and the verb also exists in the present form. For example, subject plus did not plus verb plus object. For example, he did not play football. Here he is the subject plus did not plus the verb form plus object. Now we are going to see the interrogative statement. You know that interrogative is the question statement. We will see how the structure exists. Did plus subject plus verb plus object. So this did will come in the first, then only the subject will exist. For example, did he play football? Here did comes first, next the subject is he, play is the verb and object is the football. And also the statement ends with the question mark. And now we are going to see the past continuous tense. It indicates an action which started in the past and continued certain period of time. So some action will be started in the past and still it will be going on in the present. It is called as past continuous tense because it is continuing. For example, my mother was cooking all morning. So every day your mother used to cook in the past also, in the present also. So it is a past continuous tense. Now we are going to see the positive statement, negative statement and interrogative sentence of the past continuous statement. We will see the structure of positive statement. Subject plus was or were plus verb, we is nothing but verb, ing. I am going to read the example. It was raining yesterday evening. Here it is the subject, was plus raining. Raining is the verb plus ing. Yesterday evening is the object. And the negative statement, subject plus was or were plus not will exist before the verb form. For example, it was not raining yesterday evening. In the interrogative, as I told, it is a question statement. Was or were will come before the subject and then the subject will come and then verb plus ing will come. For example, was it raining yesterday evening? And also the statement ends with the question mark. Now is your learning activity assignment. Write the correct past tense verb. Now all the verbs are given in the present tense. You have to convert it into past tense. I am going to read. Watch, hope, want, wash, arrive, play, enjoy, smile, visit, work. So you can do this as assignment. And next assignment for your, complete the sentence by changing the verb into past continuous tense. For example, I have given you 4 questions. You have to convert the verb into past continuous tense. She was design dash her clothes. You have to change that into a past continuous tense by adding ing. She was designing her clothes. So you have to add ing to the verb design. Rest of the sentence you have to do as assignment. I will read the sentence alone. Was the sun shine dash brightly. He was not spread fake news. The fan was blow dash slowly. So do this as assignment. I hope you would have understand the concept very well. Thank you children.